Hey guys, I'm happy to finally tell you that I have figured it out. I know what the problem was. I have found the solution to this problem, at least for now. The truth is that all of my problems were from the carburetor. I managed to make some changes to the carburetor that I have to make it run. I'm actually done with this thing. I can say that I usually don't work this way when it comes to fix an engine or something. Doesn't matter what. I usually try and find a solution. I do some research online to see if anyone is having or is had some problems like mine or something related to that. And based on that information, I can get to the proper conclusion without just trying to find the problem, searching through every existing part in this engine. But this time I was stubborn and I wanted to find the reason that is the source of my problem on my own, and I don't regret what I did because the engine now is basically almost new, but it was very expensive and extended through these 2 months, a very difficult lesson that I've learned. So if you have any problems with these engines, check YouTube, check in Google, and I will recommend for you to start with the gasket of the head and then go through the carburetor and the spark plug cable. I don't know. You'll figure it out. I'm hoping that this time around I'm gonna just start and I'm gonna start cutting grass. So enjoy. And this is it, finally assembled. I have to give it a wash, but this is gonna be for another time. For now, I'm just gonna enjoy riding this thing. So I'm gonna start it now. Little bit of a choke. So this it was, guys. This is gonna be the end of this video. I'm hoping that it was useful for you guys, or at least was interesting. If you wanna see some more of this content, if you enjoyed this content, subscribe, share, comment, and see you in the next one.